Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel BAETTA.Bangladesh to get the latest videos on English learning, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, SAT, ELT, TESOL and linguistics. This is Ami Alert, Chairman IELTS, Head of Linguistics, BAETTA Bangladesh, a more than 20 years experience IELTS trainer, home and abroad, and IELTS 8.5 band scorer with our IELTS 8 Plus Preparation Training Course Part 5 IELTS Speaking Module. This is IELTS Speaking Module Part 1 Lecture 5. As a part of our online and on-ground IELTS teaching and training program, this lecture is on IELTS Speaking Part 1 Grand Suggestion 2. In this video, you will also learn most common 10 familiar topics with 6 to 15 probable and suggested questions for IELTS Speaking Test Part 1, which are frequently given in IELTS Speaking tests. So, this video is very important and helpful for all kinds of IELTS candidates. Learn English, buy English, keep watching my English medium lecture videos to acquire English like a native. I maintain international standard in teaching English and IELTS. Let's get started. Introduction. IELTS Speaking Module Part 1 is known as Introduction and Interview or Personal and Familiar Issues, where the examiner usually asks 10 to 14 short questions on 4 topics. Number 1, about yourself. Number 2, about your life. Number 3, about your country. And number 4, on a familiar topic. Out of 10 to 14 short questions, 4 to 6 questions are asked on a known subject matter that is very common in your life. You shouldn't memorize answers of the suggested questions. Try to make answers within 2 to 3 effective and accurate sentences according to your own idea, thought, and information. Always keep in your mind the following 4 scales and parameters used in IELTS speaking scoring. Number 1, fluency and coherence in presentation, FCF. Number 2, lexical resource and standard of vocabulary, LRSB. Number 3, pronunciation and accentuation accuracy, PAA. Number 4, grammatical range and syntactic accuracy, GRSA. In my IELTS Speaking Part 1 Suggestion 1, I have described 1 to 15 familiar topics. Now, I am gonna present IELTS Speaking Part 1 Grand Suggestion 2. Here, I will be talking about 10 very important and most common familiar topics numbered 16 to 25 with 6 to 15 probable and suggested short questions which are recurrently asked in IELTS Speaking Test Part 1. Let's begin. IELTS Speaking Part 1 Grand Suggestion 2 Familiar Topic 16 Newspaper, magazine, periodical or dailies. Probable questions are: Question 1, do you often read newspapers? Question 2, which do you prefer reading, magazines or newspapers? 3, what kinds of newspapers or magazines do you usually read? Question 4, how old were you when you first started to read newspapers? Question 5, do you think it's important to read newspapers? Why? Why not? 6, why do you think people read newspapers? Question 7, what different types of newspapers are there in your country? Question 8, do you care about the news? Number 9, is there news important to you? Question 10. What kinds of news do you read in newspapers? Question 11. Do you prefer to read about domestic or local news or international news? Why? Why not? Question 12. What are some methods that newspapers use to attract readers? Question 13. What influence do you think newspapers have on society? Question 14. Do you think the internet is a good way and source to get news? Question 15. What daily newspapers are most popular in your country? IELTS Speaking Part 1, Grand Suggestion 2, Familiar Topic 17, Tree or Tree Plantation. Suggested questions are: question number 1, do you like trees? Number 2, are there any important trees in your country? Number 3, is there a forest near your hometown? Number 4, would you like to live in a place that has a lot of trees? Number 5, where can one find trees or forest most in your country? Number 6, do you think places with more trees attract more visitors than places with few trees? Number 7, did you ever climb trees when you were a child? Number 8, have you ever planted a tree? Number 9, do you think more people should plant trees? Number 10, do you think we should plant more trees? Number 11, do you think trees are important? Number 12, what would you say are the benefits of having trees? Number 13, do you think we need to protect trees? IELTS Speaking Part 1, Grand Suggestion 2, Familiar Topic 18, Weekend. Probable questions are: question number 1, how do you usually spend your weekend? Question 2, in your country, do men and women usually do the same kind of things on weekend? Question 3, when do you spend time with your family? Question 4, what do you usually do on weekends? 5, what did you do last weekend? 6, what do other people in your hometown usually do on weekends? Question 7, what are you going to do next weekend? Question 8, is there anything new that you would like to do on weekends next? Question 9, do you like working on weekends? Question 10, do you think employees should have to work on weekends? Question 11, do you feel that weekends now are more important to you than when you were at school? IELTS Speaking Part 1, Grand Suggestion 2, Familiar Topic 19, Reading. Suggested questions are: question number 1, do you like reading books? Why or why not? Question 2, what kinds of books do you like to read? Question 3, did you read much when you were a child? Question 4, what kinds of books did you like reading when you were a child? Question 5, do young children like reading books? Question 6, for children, what do you think are the benefits of reading? Question 7, what books do you think children should inspire to read more? Question 8, do you like to read loudly or silently? Why and why not? IELTS Speaking Part 1, Grand Suggestion 2, Familiar Topic 20, Sleep. Probable questions are: question number 1, how many hours do you sleep every day? Question 2, is it necessary to take a nap every day? Question 3, do old people sleep a lot? Why? Question 4, how to have a good sleep? Question 5, do you like to get up early in the morning? Question 6, can you sleep well if you are in a noisy environment? Question 7, do you sleep at noon? Question 8. Do you go to sleep late at night? Our speaking part 1, grand suggestion 2, familiar topic 21, clothes and dresses. Suggested questions are: question number 1, what clothes do you usually like to wear? Question 2, do you wear the same clothes at school and at home? Question 3, will you change your clothes when you will go to home today? Question 4, did you have any special clothes to wear when you were a child? Question 5, did you like them? Question 6, what are the differences between clothes and dress? Question 7, what changes do you see in clothes and dresses in your country recently? Question 8, what is your favorite dress? Question 9, what different dresses do people of your country wear in summer and in winter? Question 10, what dresses people of your family wear during occasions? As speaking test part 1, grand suggestion 2, familiar topic 22, birthday party. Probable questions are: question number 1, when is your birthday? Question 2, do you celebrate your birthday? Question 3, how did you celebrate your last birthday? Question 4, who were present at your last birthday party? Question 5, what was special at your last birthday? Question 6, what dress did you wear at your last birthday party? Question 7, how do you want to celebrate your next birthday? Question 8, what types of gifts do you get at your birthday? Question 9, how do you cut your birthday cake? Question 10, how is birthday important in your life? Question number 11, do you think everyone should celebrate birthday every year? As speaking part 1, grand suggestion 2, familiar topic 23, text messages. Suggested questions are: question number 1, do you text someone if he doesn't answer your phone? Question 2, why is texting someone is better than calling him? Question 3, have you ever had difficulty replying a text message? Question 4, how often do you send text messages? Question 5, what changes you notice in texting messages now? Question 6, is text message an important way in communication? Question 7, can you find any weaknesses in text messages? As speaking part 1, grand suggestion 2, familiar topic 24, friend. Probable questions are: question number 1, how often do you like to hang out with friends? Question 2, who do you usually like to hang out with? Question 3, where do you like to go when you hang out with your friends? Question 4, do you like to go out with a big group or just few friends? Question 5, how many good friends do you have? Question 6, who is a good friend? Question 7, why do you think friendship very important in your life? As speaking part 1, grand suggestion 2, familiar topic 25, traveling. Suggested questions are: question number 1, do you like traveling? Question 2, in which seasons do you prefer to travel? Question 3, would you say your country welcomes travelers and tourists? Question 4, do you believe your country is a good place for traveling to visit? Question 5, what are the most attractive tourist places to you in your country? Question 6, do you think traveling is important for us? Question 7, what changes do you discern in traveling in the last 10 years? B words. To get IELTS 9 band model answers of the above suggested 16 to 25 familiar topics and questions, please subscribe BAETTA.Bangladesh channel and stay connected with us. Thank you for watching this video.